Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice how it is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high, and the water is splashing so loud, very much all around.
Download the Cleo and Cuquín app and enjoy the best children's songs.
Oh!
Huh?
Cuquin, be careful.
Green. Whoa. Hi. Red. Oh, huh? Oh.
Oh, look, Cuquin. I'm a clown. Red Play-Doh.
Red. Red egg. Oh, heck. Big red egg. Red lizard.
Oh, wow, it's huge.
Very big. Blue.
Oh,
Huh?
blue Play-Doh.
Blue. Blue egg. Wow, big blue egg. Blue turtle.
It's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Yay!
Hat. Yellow. Oh, tomato. No ball. Play-Doh.
Yellow Play-Doh.
Yellow.
Yellow egg.
Big yellow egg.
Yellow mouse. Little yellow mouse.
Hat.